Thank you very much, comrades and fighters. We are here with the leadership of the province, the chairperson Butani, and the spokesperson of the EFF. We are here to protest against the indignity of black people, where cliques saw it befitting to portray black people in an inhumane manner, in a manner that is not acceptable. We should never allow anyone to practice racism after the formation of the EFF. The EFF is the only machine that can defeat racists in South Africa. And we are here to say to cliques peacefully, racism is violence. And the only way to defeat violence is through violence. And we are here peacefully. We are saying to them they must close the whole week. They will open from Saturday because they value money more than humanity. They projected us in that way because they wanted to make more money out of projecting black people as people who cannot be celebrated and their beauty is not befitting of human beings. So we are here to say to them, since you wanted to make money at our expense, we are going to make you lose money because you worship money more than humanity. We wrote a letter to them. We asked them peacefully, do not close, do not open for the next 5 days. They refused. We said to them, suspend the person who was involved in this advert. You must dismiss a company that commissioned this advert. They refused to give us a list of the people who were involved in the advert. They refused to terminate the contract of the company that was involved in projecting black people as ugly people. So we are here to teach them a lesson. We will not be here if the management here at Mall of the North of cliques commit that they will not open until Saturday. They will open from Saturday. If they do not commit, we are going to come back here every day, and they are inconveniencing the mall and other shops. I don't know why other shops are closing, because there is no need to close other shops. We are fighting against cliques, not Checkers and ShopRite and anything like that. Their day will come. Today is the day of cliques. We don't know what police are doing here. Papa. Police are papa. Because in South Africa we have a right to protest. Without permission, we require no permission to protest. When they insulted us cliques, police didn't go to cliques. But when we are here to respond to cliques, police must go and arrest real criminals and rapists out there. But the criminals, the criminal, but dignity of black people. The same policeman, Barmoyena, your hair is ugly, therefore you are ugly. But abakiti imam. We are not mad people. We are reasonable people. We are members of parliament. We make laws. We don't make violence. Azangara sukela cliques in or sukela nje. And they know every time they provoke black people, they will apologize. And some wish-washy blacks without a backbone, some amubas, will say no, cliques has apologized, therefore let's leave them. That is the highest level of stupidity of the black elite which wants to behave like white people. We are not white, we will never be white. White people insult us and then they apologize. They think that is the end. We are no longer going to accept any apology which is not accompanied by justice. We need justice, not apology. Who is punished for projecting black people as ugly people? Who is punished for that? That's what we are seeking today. We want someone to be held accountable. Someone must lose his or her position. We don't care whether it's black or white. They must lose their position for insulting black people. That is justice we seek. We don't seek a smelly apology which is not authentic. Every time they apologize, every time they are ready to throw money, they say to us, give us any organization will donate money to charity. It's an arrogance of capital. Every time they insult you, they say they will pay you. So we are tired of that. We are here peacefully. We are saying to Clicks, South Africa, close your shops. If you want peace, you don't want problems, close your shops until Friday. Then there will not be any problem with Clicks. If you don't want to close your shops, Clicks, suspend the people who were involved in projecting black people as ugly people. Fire the company that commissioned that advert which projected black people as ugly people. We have been projected as ugly people for a very long time by white people. It must come to an end at some point. And it starts today with Clicks. We are tired. So from here, we are going to Sycamore, we are going to Savannah, and we are going to Thornhill and Game to check if all Clicks are closed. The whole South Africa Clicks stores must be closed today until Friday. We are going to leave now. They've closed these shops. They've taken out the workers through a back door because they said they were scared to come through this door. And they committed that they will not open. We are leaving other workers in other stores. If these people open, call us. We'll come back. We are ready. We are in town. We are monitoring stores of Clicks. If any store of Click is open, inform the EFF. We'll come there and we'll close it. We are tired of white arrogance. So today is the beginning of a rolling action against Clicks. Everyday fighters, you must be combat ready. When you are called that there is a store open of Clicks, you have to respond quickly, and we go and shut down all those stores. Black security guards, respect yourself. Stop provoking people who are not fighting against you. Black policemen, start respecting yourself. When you are called, you should ask the question, what is the problem? Is there any crime being committed? Peaceful protest is not a crime. It will never be a crime. It is protected by the Constitution. We have a right to protest, and we require nobody's permission to protest. We require no policeman's permission to protest. We are here without a policeman's permission. This is not apartheid time, where police thought they were more powerful than the people. Police must learn to respect people. Securities must learn to respect people. We are not crazy. We can't just wake up in the morning and come here if we don't have issues which must be addressed. A policeman must ask the question. The station commander must ask a question. What is the problem? Why are they protesting? Or you offended them? Where is the management? Let the management deal with that. It's not a police matter. Utlemoka uniform. But ba commit a crime. Obisi uteleje ngoma kam. Obinisha menwana ka ra boots. We tell God onya go be na welo ena. Obinisha menwana. Go and fight the real crime. Leave Clicks and white racism to the EFF. We will deal with it. We will deal with white racists. We will put them to their place. There is no white man who is a racist who must feel comfortable in South Africa. Let us make racists uncomfortable in South Africa so that they take the next flight to Australia, because there is no hope for racists here in South Africa. Thank you very much, fighters, for coming. Let us go to Thornhill. Let's go to Sycamore. Let's repeat Savannah. Once we are sure everything is closed, we can disperse peacefully. We don't need any policemen to accompany us. We know the law, we make the law. Amanda!